If you want a vehicle security system that gives you two-way LCD screen notifications, you want the Avital 3308L. Stay tuned to this video to learn more. So let's go over what comes in the box. You get a control module with an onboard impact sensor. You have your two-way LCD rechargeable remote and a one-way 4-button remote with quarter-mile range, a 6-tone siren, an antenna with an integrated valet button and LED, wiring harnesses, a quick reference install guide for your installer, and an owner's quick reference card that has a QR code on it for you to scan and get the full owner's guide. The key features of the Avital 3308L include a starter interrupt to help prevent vehicle theft, your two-way remote indications on that LCD screen, a panic or car locator function. It monitors for an open door or trunk, flashing parking lights, remote keyless entry, ignition controlled door locks, 2 auxiliary outputs. It is compatible with our Directed by Vox Smart Start Pro and has a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. For more information or to find a professional installer near you, visit avital.com.